A cordial greeting. Today is Wednesday, June 19, 2024. This is meteorologist Ruben Garcia. In this video, I will give a brief update related to the potential cyclone number 1 of the season, which is very likely to become Tropical Storm Alberto today. This low-pressure system has an extremely broad circulation, so the effects of the tropical storm are beginning to move over the coast of Texas and northern sectors of Tamaulipas. The circulation is projected to continue its movement westward, and should reach the coast during the night of Wednesday or early Thursday morning. We will be updating the maximum expected rainfall accumulations across southern Texas, as well as for regions in northeastern Mexico, including the states of Coahuila, Nuevo León, Tamaulipas, Zacatecas, and San Luis Potosí. There have been some changes, as more significant effects are now expected to also affect northern Veracruz. Although the wind is not expected to be a major issue, heavy downpours are expected that can cause flooding across northeastern Mexico and southern Texas. In this animation, I wanted you to see that the center of circulation is approximately in this area, but you can see that the circulation is still quite broad, and the area of winds and rains has not yet compacted and consolidated at the center of circulation, which has not allowed it to continue strengthening. Even so, we anticipate that in the next 24 hours, the system will continue to organize, and it is very likely to become a tropical cyclone as it approaches the coast during the night of today, Wednesday. This gradual organization can be clearly seen in the infrared satellite image, where we see the development of strong thunderstorms and bands gradually consolidating in the center. Particularly this morning, we have a band of heavy showers that has developed to the south and southeast of the circulation, and we will be attentive to see if this band manages to cover that center. This is important because this band will be moving towards Mexico, affecting northern Veracruz with heavy showers. Also, notice that numerous showers are beginning to move over the coast of Texas, so weather conditions will continue to deteriorate rapidly during this morning. With such a broad circulation, you can see in yellow the extent of tropical storm winds that are already beginning to affect some regions of southern Texas and northern Tamaulipas, where winds of 40 miles per hour or 55 kilometers per hour can be recorded. For this reason, the tropical storm warning remains in effect, covering almost the entire coast of Texas and northern Tamaulipas, and probably extended to northern Veracruz due to the development of that strong band I showed you in the infrared satellite image. These winds will continue to move towards the west-northwest, eventually reaching Nuevo León, Coahuila, Zacatecas, and San Luis Potosí. Here is the Doppler radar projection for the next 36 hours, especially for southern Texas. We see a lot of rain with intense rain bands that can cause flash flooding. Also, notice the rain moving towards sectors of northern Nuevo León and Coahuila, where torrential rains can also be reported. Although this rain can help with drought, it can also cause dangerous flooding. In the next animation, you can see the accumulated rainfall projection at least until Friday morning. It is evident that the heaviest rain should be falling over southern Texas, the entire state of Nuevo León, and northeastern Coahuila. Also, notice that basically, the entire state of Tamaulipas will receive rain. For the northeastern region of Mexico, we are talking about 100 to 200 millimeters of accumulated rain in the next 48 hours. And for southern Texas sectors, we are talking about 4 to 6 inches of accumulated rain generalized across the region. In some places, up to 10 inches of rain could fall, which would also result in a significant flooding event. With the development of this strong band to the south and southeast of the circulation, it is possible that the maximum sustained winds felt over the region of Tamaulipas have increased during the day today. Here is the wind projection according to the GFS model, showing that some wind gusts of up to 95 km per hour may affect the northern half of Tamaulipas from tonight, Wednesday. Also, notice over sectors of southern Texas gusts between 40 to 50 miles per hour. Although this wind is not extremely strong, it can cause power outages in some places, and also damage trees and branches that can be a danger to property. Moreover, notice the new accumulated rainfall projections that could be recorded over northern Veracruz. This is indeed an important change in the forecast, and is again due to the development of this strong band of rains and thunderstorms over the Bay of Campeche. Models are now projecting that for northern Veracruz and sectors of San Luis Potosí, accumulated rain between 100 to 150 millimeters can be recorded, so some flooding may be generated in these places as well. Consider that the coverage of tropical storm winds is extremely extensive, and this wind will be causing storm surges along the coast of Texas and northern Tamaulipas. Here we have the wave projection for the next 48 hours. During the day today, strong waves will be affecting the coast of Texas, and eventually during the night, stronger waves will move over the region of Tamaulipas. Coastal flooding may occur due to storm surges and waves that can reach 2 to 3 meters in height or 10 to 15 feet in height. In general, the effects of the future Tropical Storm Alberto will be felt more intensely over southern Texas, the states of Coahuila, Nuevo León, and northern Tamaulipas, where flooding and landslides are anticipated until at least Thursday night or Friday morning. Also, consider that the waves can cause flooding along the coast. I hope that our friends in northeastern Mexico and southern Texas are prepared to face this event, which, with a bit of luck, will only represent a relief in the drought across central and northeastern Mexico. Although, definitely, if the total accumulated rainfall projections are met, it can also cause some flooding and generate some damage. Thank you very much for trusting Hurricane Info forecasts. I will remain attentive through other social networks to keep you informed of the events of this possible tropical cyclone. It is very likely that during tonight I will record a new video to update any changes in this forecast, so it is important that you subscribe to the channel. Go to the red button that appears at the bottom of the video that says subscribe, click on it, and then click on the bell so that you receive notifications when I record new videos. Now I say goodbye. See you later.